Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chevy Daria, what's up? Okay, so today's video is going to be a product review, and as you can see, my face is completely clear, no makeup, nothing. So I'm gonna show you guys this mask that I've been using that I love, absolutely love. So I'm trying to get it out the glare. It is by, there you go, Herbivore. And it's called Blue Tansy. Now, I found this brand on Instagram. I was on Instagram and it just popped up, and the ads for the actual mask is so pretty. It just makes you want to buy it. So of course, after doing my research, I definitely went ahead and grabbed this one in particular, Blue Tansy. They have different ones like Prism and all that stuff. They have different ones for different type of skin, but I have acne, as you can see, and I have lots of scarring on both sides and some up here and everything like that. I'm also a pimple popper, so I'll be popping my pimples. But I also have very oily skin, and even though right now this is so dry, yeah, like I have oily skin. So I've been using this to help minimize the breakouts that I'm having. And I also will say I approve of this mask because it makes my skin feel so refreshed. When you first try it, it does tingle a bit, but it definitely feels very fresh. It opens up your pores. And also, if I do have a pimple, it takes away the redness because it helps with inflammation as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how the consistency is. It came in like this little package box, and the box was like so cute and matte. Oh my god, I don't even know if I have that box anymore, but it was so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys the consistency. So I use this, which is like a little rubber thing, and the consistency, look, it's so cute. Yes, it's like jelly, it's like slime, really. See? So this is how I do it. I leave it on for about 25 minutes. So first you wash your face. It says resurfacing clarity mask. Yeah, that's what it says. And then the box has all the details of everything else. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on. So let me just make sure I got all this. Let me just make sure I covered everything. Yes, perfect. So yes, right now it is burning. And I've been using it for 3 weeks. So just know that it's gonna burn. Like there's nothing you can do, it's gonna burn. All right, so I'll come back. I'm gonna leave this on for 25 minutes. And then they say to wash your face with warm water, and you have to use a cloth because this is so slimy, so it's very hard to come off. So you have to use a cloth, use warm water. That warm water is gonna help you take off the mask and open up your pores so it can still sink in as you're washing it. And then also whatever products you use afterwards, it's gonna help also to set in your face. You know, this opens it up. Right now, it feels like I have a pound of mint on my face, but it feels so refreshing. After a fresh shower, this mask is definitely litty. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat, set my timer, come back and show you guys how it looks afterwards. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you what I was talking about with the washing of the face. It's hard to wash off, right? So I got like warm hot water. Actually, let's turn it a little bit cooler, right? And you see, hard to come off. So you gotta use a rag and take it off. It's like a slime. All right, y'all, your girl is back and her face is fresh. You know what I'm saying? Clean and fresh and clear, baby. Anyways, yeah, I still got the acne. It's not going away, like I said. But do you see how clear? And it brightens your skin. Like this mask brightens your skin. So I did the mask for 25 minutes, like I said, and I showed you guys how it's hard to kind of get it off, but you know, it's because it's really stuck on your face and it's like doing its thing. So yes, but it brightens, like let me get back from the light a little bit. It brightens your skin instantly. So I have oily skin, and this does dry your skin out, which I'm not complaining about, but I hate my skin being so dry. So thank God Herbivore hooked me up with a sample. So I've been using this sample every time I use that mask, and I also been using it just in the morning time sometimes too. This been carrying me on for three weeks now, honey, and it's been doing good. So this is the sample that they gave me. This is a bottle of oil that they sell, and this one is called Emerald. So maybe it does go with the Blue Tansy, because Blue Tansy doesn't have like an oil. I think all of their products have a separate name, but it's the same color kind of as Blue Tansy. You know, this is a little more green. So this one says hemp seed adaptogens deep moisture glow oil, honey, and I want to glow. It says take your skincare ritual higher with Emerald deep moisture glow oil. It's hemp derived, cannabis sativa. I'm so lame. Non-intoxicating, and oh yeah, these Herbivore is all natural ingredients. That's what I love about it. I'm not like, I am an organic kind of gal. I try very hard to only use things that are you know, man-made from the earth. So I try very hard. Maybe I need to try doing that with my eating habit, but that's another subject, you know what I'm saying? So this one has like cannabis sativa oil in it, capric triglyceride. It has fractionated coconut oil. It has actually all the ingredients. I can't pronounce it, but they're all says flower behind it, flower extract. Everything says seed in it, like all the terms comes from some type of plant, root extract. There's nothing in here that really screams out a word that I can't pronounce that sounds like a chemical. So that's a good thing about it. And it is vegan friendly, as in no, it does not hurt the animals at all, this product, which I love. I am not a vegetarian. That's something I've tried numerous times. My body itself feels weak and sick when I do not eat meat, because I've been eating meat since I was literally like born. So I tried the vegan thing for me eating wise, and it doesn't work. So since I can't do that, I try my hardest not to hurt animals or bunnies or lab rats, and I get all my products to be you know, animal friendly. So I'm gonna use this, and then after this I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of I'm gonna give you guys, okay, so this is the consistency of the oil. Yes, honey. See, it's not like a sticky oil, like a honey oil, but like that's it right there. So I just go like this, and you don't need too much. And I love the glow that this gives to your skin as well. I'm gonna use a little bit more since I just washed it. When I go to bed, I put way more oil on my face and moisturizer than I do when I'm out, because at nighttime you want your skin to be moisturized and kind of oily, you know, not with your natural oil, but with the actual product, because it helps the elasticity in your skin, that helps you get away from wrinkles. Yeah, this is, I put this on here. So yeah, this is the oil. I don't want to use too much because I ain't paying for it yet. So this is it. Hi boo, almost done. Okay, you can go out there, I'm coming. Okay, so this is the skin. Do you see that nice glow it gives you? So a little bit to wrap this video up, I'm gonna give you guys some facts about this product. It is AHA approved, which means it is an alpha hydroxy acid. It's made from natural alpha hydroxy acid, which is a water soluble acid, and it's made from sugary fruits. And you can tell that this product is made from fruits because it smells so good. Oh my god. So it's a water soluble acid made from sugary fruits that pretty much help to peel off the surface of your skin. And once your surface, like when you put that mask on your face and your skin starts to shed, like after you wash it off, you're taking off all the dead skin, because it's like eating away all that bacteria and dead skin. Your skin is going to shed, and when it sheds, that's going to generate new skin cells to grow. Whew, that's a lot to say. So yeah, any product that has AHA in it is really good for your skin, because yeah, it generates new skin growth. So it takes away all the dead one, generates new skin growth. Okay, cool. Also, it is 100% natural. All their masks is 100% natural, especially the one that I just used, Blue Tansy. It has things like papaya, charcoal, clay, and willow bark. Willow bark is really good for your skin too. Look that up. It also, the mask that I use is a decongestant, and it kind of feels like Vicks. It kind of smells like a sugary, fruity Vicks. It does, and it feels like Vicks. So it's a decongestant, and it unclogs your pores. So that's just a little bit of facts, since I didn't have it for you when I started the video. So yes, guys, definitely get the Blue Tansy Herbivore. I recommend the product for anybody who is having acne. If you have sensitive skin, just know that it's gonna burn your skin a little bit. And yes, if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you want me to purchase anything else from Herbivore. Make sure everything's sponsored. And I will definitely do a product review if there's any products that you guys think. I'm a product junkie, so I will definitely buy and try anything that I can afford. So send them my way, boo, but don't mess me up. Don't mess me up on purpose trying to give me acne breakouts. If you know that thing is not right, don't do me like that. So anyways, like, subscribe, share, and guys, have a good night. Yes, honey, glowing, and I'm out. Bye.